everyone. Wish you a very happy weekend. What plans for the weekend? I hope you all aren't venturing out too much. Spend time at home and maybe spend time reading because today we are having a chit chat with author Himanshu Rai about his thriller book that is just released. And if you all haven't bought your copies, then after our chit chat, you can go ahead on Amazon and buy the Kindle version as it's available on Kindle. And also read my review on Goodreads, as well as you can swipe up on the story and see the reviews. And author Himanshu is right here, so let's send him a request and get started with our chit chat. Hi Mohit, hi Omkar. Hello Mr. Mohan. Thank you guys for joining in at whatever time we go for. Really motivating. Hello Himanshu, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So congratulations on your novel. And
Thank
this is
you.
something which is such a nice, quick read. I was telling my viewers it is a perfect read for the weekend. They can sit at home with
Thanks a lot.
the house. So
Thank
how
you.
your novel is out there, just released on Kindle.
Pardon?
I said, how does it feel? Your novel has just released few days back. It's on Kindle, and we keep seeing the reviews coming up. Tell us, how does it feel for you?
It's exciting. It's really very exciting because every novel, like this is my sixth novel, and every novel for a writer is like a baby. So when you write it, it's only till you, and you always feel like what readers will say about it. So the first initial reviews are always something which guide me to see how I need to take up my marketing, or whether I need to invest that much time on my book or not. So that is something very interesting in the initial stage. So every review when it comes, uh, it increases my heartbeat. So when even you were reading, I was too confused what you will say about this book. And even others who when I see Goodreads and I see that some people are reading it, yeah, I just wait. I keep on searching again and again whether that review is up or live or not. So that is a regular process, and this goes with me with every book. The same. I'm still trying. Many people tells me that don't go and see reviews so much. You're so much into that, seeing into reviews and everything. But it's something which I'm not able to stop myself. I'll again go and after half an hour I'll look into it, whether there's any review or something, what someone has said, what is the status. I'll check my ranking. So that is something which I cannot stop myself. So, and this will go on with every book I'll know.
Like we're talking about reviews, there are good and there are bad. What is the best compliment you've received so far for She Eraser?
She raised her. I think your review was wonderful. I reposted also. So that's and for She raised her. I think till now it's 33 of 35 reviews which we have received in last 10-15 days, and almost all are 4 star and 5 star. And one thing which everyone is saying commonly that it's full of twists and turns.
Oh,
So
yes.
every time when you'll start guessing ki, like this is the story, you will go into another stage of the story. So that is something which even I was facing that challenge when I was writing it. So you will not believe when I was writing this book, I took almost 1.5 or 2 years to write this book. Generally, I finish my book in hardly 3 months. That is my record. But this book, because every time when I was writing this book, I was getting entangled in the story by myself. So whenever I'm restarting it, I need to first read that book complete. So when I was on chapter 5, when I was starting chapter 5, I started again from chapter 1, read it till chapter 4, then I wrote chapter 5. Then I took a break because I was confused. Then when I was starting chapter 6, again I have to read it. So that reading and writing took so much time that it already took 1.5-2 years. Recently, because my last book was Rhythm Roger, The Secrets of Electron, it's a science fiction. And I was planning to release Rhythm Roger Part 2. That book is ready, but there is some conversation going on with some other publishers. So that's getting delayed, and I was just wanting to do something over Kindle because looking at the pandemic, always wanted to do something by my own over Kindle. So I was just discussing with my wife, so which book I should write. So she suggested, why you want to write something? You already have She Erased in your kitty. Just complete it and publish it. But till then, it was 30% was still left. So I told her कि if I have to write it, I have to first again read that book because it's so confusing last. So I again read it, then I finished this book. And even when I finished that book, I again reread it because even I was feeling कि कहीं कोई लूप होल छूट ना जाए, ऐसा ना हो कि रीडर्स को लगे कि अच्छा ना ये चीज is uncleared still. That I didn't want it. So again and again I read it and I tried to close each and every gap in that story because it's just too confusing. It's so much mysteries hidden there.
Oh, that I totally agree with you because at a point I kept reading and I was like, oh, these are the four characters I had in my book. Okay, this is Samira, Kyra, Rohan. Okay, now
I've seen your picture.
I kept doing those math and columns and what is going on? Am I missing something? So there were times even I just had one was but
I lost your voice. Your voice we lost.
I said I was reading it continuously and I didn't have a break in the sense like, like maybe a day break or whatever because I was so hooked onto it. But I still felt, have I missed something? How come this change has come? This is not what I was expecting. So I'm sure as a writer, how much you must have reread to like keep the twists and turns going.
And you'll not believe, initially the name of Kyra was Shania. So when I finished half of the book, I got confused between Samira and Shania. I thought, I need to change these names, otherwise I will get more confused into it. So I actually changed those both names. So
Yeah, because
and there are
अगर
the
तो
various characters in those.
Samira Shania होती ना 100% I would have been like, am I missing the name? Is something happening? So thank God as a writer you realize कि नहीं, let's have two different initials वाले name.
Yeah. Even when it was in editing, my editor pinged me. There are few because I just replaced those names. So she said there are few spaces where I am feeling that somewhere Shania word is written. So who is Shania? I said okay, I'll replace it with Kyra. You will get more confused. But writing this book was really a fun for me because I always love writing different genres. I'm like Asian Chronicle said in one of the article that I'm a literary juggler. So when I was discussing with the journalist, so she said, I've written this word because you have been writing in all the genres. You have written mythology, you have written thriller, you have written romance, science fiction, children's books. You are writing everywhere. So I said that is what me. I don't love to write just only romance or only one thing. Whatever comes to my mind, I will write it. So while I was writing Rhythm Roger is something which is my dream project. So it's a complete world what I'm trying to build. It's an electron verse what I say to my readers. So first part is already out and it's a bestseller. Second part is ready, and I have already planned about 8 to 9 parts of Rhythm Roger.
Wow.
And then in that complete electromagnetic world, another character is entering, which is Q. So that I'm writing and working on so that I can release it around October. So Q and the Guardians of Coleman Clock, I'll release it around October. But between all these things, I don't want that only kids or young generation should read my books. That is science fiction. I also want my thriller readers should also keep on getting something. So my first thriller was Recollecting the End. So now this one. After this, I'm writing in parallel another book called Sunflower Lily. That is another thriller. So that I'll complete it. So I keep on writing 2 3 books at the same time. So if today my mood is to write a thriller, I'll start that one, and again I'll shift to another one next day. So these 2 3 books I am working right now.
I think that's a perfect name given to you. That you're literally a literal juggler who's juggling between different genres and giving us genres. Like you said, Rhythm Roger is science fiction, The Mute Girlfriend is in romance, from Mahabharata, like the charity thing goes in mythology. And now again, you're writing science fiction and a thriller side. The term is perfect for you. We have a lot of questions. Hello, Jivishu is asking, how do I become a meme? Jivishu is a comedian. On a
Your voice is
So,
trembling a bit.
Jivishu, I'm going to get back to you on this after the chat. Pravesh Tiwari is asking, sir, when you wrote this book, what was on your mind? And that's the same question even I want to ask, that how did you get this idea of this spine chiller thriller?
Actually, I wanted to write something about women. I wanted to write something by which I can show power of women, which is always considered as a weakness. So that was in my mind initial. And when generally when I write a romance book, I always have the ending in my mind. But when I write a thriller, I never try to think about the ending because I want my story to reach at that end. Because if I'll know the ending, maybe my chapters will reveal that ending. That is what my thought is. But one thing was clear: I wanted to show something which is always thought as a pleasure, but that pain can be a strength of a woman. That I wanted to reflect in this story, and that's the reason I've never written an erotic thriller, but this book enters into that genre of erotic because that is something which is tried to reflect here. Which thing we always take it as a pleasure or a sense of beauty or something, but that there is a lot of thing hidden behind it. So that is what I wanted to show in this. That was only in my mind when I was writing She Erased Her.
So, like we've been discussing, Mr. Juggler, you have been juggling between different genres, but there are so many people out there who want to write, they have the stories, but don't have the discipline to write. So, what would you like to tell them?
Discipline is a lot in writing. See, not only discipline, but I'll say a passion. See, many people wants to write, but writing 2 pages and writing 200 pages is little tough. So while you're writing a book of 200 pages, you need to be with those characters till that time when you're writing. So if I'm finishing that book in 6 months, I need to live my life with those characters for 6 months. Otherwise, I'm not justifying my book. So that is the most important thing. So if you are trying to write, have a patience and realize that you need to live with those characters for next 6 8 months. That is the biggest portion. So most of the people who they start writing after 2 chapters, 3 chapters, they stop it. I've seen many people who contact me that, oh, sir, I have written half the book and it's already 3 years and I'm not able to complete it. You will not be able to complete it if you're not living that life. So that is something very important when you're writing a book. Like when I write Rhythm Roger, my wife says that you either be shut your mouth or go to another room, because at that time I'm only thinking about scientists, their inventions, how electromagnetic radiations are traveling, and how that is making up my story. So I start narrating her, and because she's not from that background of engineering, so she said, okay, stop it, otherwise move out from this room. If you have a romance or thriller, you can tell me, but don't narrate me these electromagnetic things. So you need to live that life. That is what is enjoyable.
After 6 books, what is literary success to you?
I don't know. And good reviews, good ranking, and talking to celebrities like you. That this is a success for me. Well, see, I don't earn from my books. This I always say in my all my interviews. I'm an engineer. I'm a manager. I work somewhere. I work in one of the biggest companies of telecom. So I earn my bread from there. Writing is my passion, my hobby, and anything, any of your hobby. If you pursue that hobby, you always feel good. So even if you like to dance, maybe that dance is not giving you money, but if you feel good, that's good. So for writing for me is a success. If I complete one of my book, I feel it's a success. And I have been trying a lot in writing. Like my first book was self-published. I wrote that because I wanted to show my wife that my name can come over book cover. So I wrote that book. Second book, Chariots of Mahabharat, came just by chance because that book I had written when I was in class 10th. So I
Okay.
just retyped it and I gave it to publisher. I thought, okay, let it get published. It was just the charm of getting my name published to a book. But then when My Mute Girlfriend came and became an overnight success, it released in Hindi as well as English, and it's like a bestseller of Amazon. Then I realized, okay, fame is something different. So I was getting huge number of messages around at night 2 o'clock. Also, I'm getting calls. Readers were calling me and sending messages. So that is something which I started loving it. Then when I wrote I am always here with you, I literally wrote so that I should be called as an author. So I wrote it perfectly. I tried to see marketing is place, everything is in place. I wrote in that way. Then when Rhythm Roger came, I was more conscious about it. because that was totally different what I have written till now. So I still remember when I shared that to one of the publishers, they replied me back that this book will not work in India because characters were not Indian, the scenarios are from Germany and Finland, so everything is different. So this will not work in India. You may not try this. But I was, because as I said, I'm not earning, or I don't feel like to earn my bread with my writing. I only want to write and publish because I love it. So that okay, leave it. If anyone is interested, I'll publish it. And luckily, Invincible met me in one of the events, and he said, okay, I'm interested to publish it, and we published that book. And it was like a huge success, huge. Rhythm Brother is one of the biggest success for me, which I have never seen in any of the past books. And the readers or readily accepted that this characters and everything is not of India, but they also compared it with Harry Potter series. So
Wow.
that is something was is very very much appreciable to me, and motivating to me. And now when she raised her, I decided okay, I may try something new. So I went with Kindle. I never approached to any of the publishers. Now obviously Invincible has pitched me with me, and they wanted to bring it in paperback. So they are printing this in paperback now. But initially I thought that I will publish by myself. So just keep on going. I just love doing whatever I want.
So some of the viewers are asking, will She Raise Her come in Hindi too? Will there be a translation of the book, and will it reach like your other books in?
I don't know. I really don't know, because that depends upon the publishers. If anyone pitches for that rights, and it happens, so it's a different story. Like Rhythm Roger came in English, Hindi, German. It released in all three languages because someone was interested to take those rights. Now She Raised Her, it's in Hindi. If someone approaches me for Hindi rights, obviously we'll look into it.
When you were writing, what was the most difficult part for you while writing She Raised Her?
Every part of it. Every part of this book. This is one of the most difficult book I'll say I have written. Because as a writer also, when I was writing it, I was not knowing what's the end. So that the reason everything which I was writing, I was not knowing where that story will lead me to. So I had totally left myself in hands of my characters. Even till half of the story, I was not sure who Samaira was. So you can understand what I was in dilemma of this story.
But even we readers till the end were wondering who Samira was. Who was like I was like, in a paperback you tend to I have a habit you tend to go like अच्छा कितना pages बाकी है ताकि पता चले क्या हो रहा है. Kindle में
And and the toughest part, I'll tell you where I felt when she goes to Indore for searching of those documents in college. Now, college document is something which are very which are very standard, and those documents need to be studied properly to write a story. Well, you cannot write anything which is not relevant. So I literally searched all the documents, how documents look, what all things are there in the document. If someone changes the picture, what they can change. So based on all those things, I wrote those scenes, and I read that scene again and again, so that there should not be any mistake or something that someone can catch us there. So that was one of the difficult portion what I wrote in this book.
editing a novel is the toughest part, and especially when it is something like this, which is a part that got edited and we readers don't know.
Yeah, if I'll just okay,
Yes, spoiler.
there is,
If
huh?
you're spoiler, then I'm not going to ask you this question on the chat.
It's a actually it's a actually it's a spoiler.
Let them be on the book, and this is something I might ask
There
you.
is, there is there is there is one scene which happens in Rishikesh. So that scene actually I deleted it writing because I felt that scene was disclosing some sort of suspense in the last few chapters. So I deleted that and shifted the story a bit.
That I will ask you in detail about it off the chat because now I'm very curious to know. But again, I don't have the spoilers because when I was writing my review, also I was very careful that the best part about the book is that you don't know what's happening till like the
Yeah.
end. Many a times you made.
And that is success for an author. That is success for an author. If I could hold you till last.
Definitely, because I was very sure, oh, I have figured it out. I know what it is. And just then I was like, all set, you threw another bomb, and I'm like, okay, let's see what's further to hold our horses. What was the difficult part in publishing the Kindle version for you?
Kindle is very simple. I'll say Kindle is the most simplest thing what I have seen. I'm not sure why I have not tried it till now. I've seen many writers who publish over Kindle only, and they keep on writing books very frequently. Because as a writer, I feel I also write many books, but every book is not going into publishing. Obviously, because of the funds issue, you need to have budgets and everything. So every book doesn't goes for complete paperback publishing. But Kindle is something which is very simple, and I found it very easy to go. I finished my book, edit it by myself, just go to Kindle, publish it. I think within 72 hours my book is live. And today making a book cover and everything is just so simple. So that's the reason I'm working with Sunflower Lily, because that is one of the story which I always wanted to write. It's also a thriller, but it's a psychological thriller where I'll give a small hint where it's a small place where there are multiple people and one boy who is kidnapped. Now he is kidnapped, but he kidnapped himself. Okay, because of some reason. Okay, but he has written a diary for each one of the people in that town whom are related to him. Now they have to read that book, and they cannot disclose to anyone that they are reading. Plus, they cannot go to police. They cannot inform to police that he is kidnapped. Otherwise, he will be killed. But after every chapter, they have to perform a task. But each of those characters are linked to each other. So if I try to go to a police station, obviously some other character is watching me, and his task is to stop me. So there is all characters linked together. So this is another toughest novel which I'm trying to write. So there are multiple characters all reading different stories. Pardon?
I'll need a whiteboard this time. On a page, I will not be able to link it. I might just get a whiteboard and keep it.
Hopefully I complete it as fast as possible. So that the name is Sunflower Lily. So sunflower moves in a direction of sun. So everyone is moving in that direction. So it's a book about that.
Okay, now we're gonna play a small game. I'm gonna take some titles. I'm gonna name them, and the first thing that comes to your mind: negotiations.
Himanshu. This is also written by Himanshu. And this is one of the questions which everyone's asked me. This book is written by you. I said, no, I have not written this.
प्यार तो होना ही था.
Pardon?
प्यार तो होना ही था.
That is also written by me, but I'll say Ajay Devgan and Kajol. Because when this book got published, My Mute Girlfriend got published in Hindi, I was not knowing what that. I thought the name will still remain the same. But when book came to me, it was Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. So my wife said, okay, this is Kajol and Ajay Devgan. So I said, no, they have changed the name. So that's why.
What would it be?
Your voice fabled.
If you had to name The Mute Girlfriend in Hindi and it wasn't Pyar To Hona Hi Tha, what would it be?
I would have kept My Mute Girlfriend. See, My Mute Girlfriend is, obviously I'll share you that book, but it is, I'll say 95% my own story. So it's very close to me. That book is very close to me. I have used real name of my friends, the complete college life, the hostel life. I contacted each of my friend and I asked them, taken permission that, okay, I'm using your name, I'm using your character, I'm disclosing all these things what we did in hostel. So it's very close to me. Even if I want to remember my colleges, I'll go and read that book. So I'll feel good. So I'll still keep that same name.
So guys out here, besides She Erased Her, if you all haven't read The Mute Girlfriend, even that's available online, and you all can go and purchase both the things together today after our chit chat. Not now, just after we are done. And okay, Chariots of Mahabharata.
Class 10th. Notebook. Written in a notebook.
I'm always here with you.
Pregnancy.
Rhythm Roger.
Love.
Finally,
Crazy, I'm crazy.
She Erased Her.
confused. Even today, if I start thinking about, I close my eyes and I start thinking about the story, I again have to open up pages to understand, okay, where I was. It gives me that sort of confusions.
I wouldn't say confusions, but yeah, it did keep me all tangled and it kept being like, okay, you know what? And there is one more thing that I want to say, but then that would again be a spoiler. So I'm just being mum when I would like there was this one character who got introduced later, and how he added to the confusion. And you know what I'm saying?
Actually, he's the one who is actually creating the confusions, I'd say.
Yeah, and you know, suddenly I'm like, did I read it right? And I had to go back, like, you know, मैंने बराबर पढ़ा है ना, like ये क्या हो गया अचानक? So all the best, Himanshu, for your future novels. We are all excited to read furthermore, and all the people out here. As our chat ends, in case you have missed anything from our chat, it is going to be on IGTV, so you can tag your friends, you can go through our chat, and there's a lot more that we wanted to discuss, but we were careful so that we don't give you spoilers. And Himanshu, we are super excited for your further books also. So hopefully you write. And thanks to Kindle, we get a lot more books now by you, not just like occasionally, but many more thrillers and many more other genres. And before you go, what do you want to tell your viewers about She Erased Her?
I'll say read She Erased Her to understand the power of women. Don't underestimate them, and you need to know what the hidden power is there with women. That is what She Erased Her. And go and read it. It's a wonderful book. In spite of watching YouTubes and Netflix and OTT, just try to read something. Reading is also a good habit, and you will may enjoy something more thrilling and more exciting tonight. So go and have a chit chat with She Erased Her. You will love it. Otherwise, thanks Shweta. It's really nice chatting with you, and thanks a lot for reading my book, sharing your views. It's really wonderful to have me here.
Thank you so much. It was likewise for Chitter Chatter to have you here. And trust me, the book really kept me hooked on. I'm sure my review said it all. And best wishes and wish you a very happy weekend. While we enjoy reading She Erased Her, you enjoy writing the further books.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Bye.